Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyodoka. I'm Ryusei. Today I introduce my favorite corn dishes. Corn is called tomorokoshi. Tomorokoshi is one of my favorite summer vegetables. Both are vegan dishes, corn and rice, and corn kakiage. The methods are quite simple, and we can enjoy the pure flavor of the corn. I hope this video will be interesting and informative for you. Yes, let's make it. These are corns which are grown in Ibaraki Prefecture. At first, I peel off the skins. The tip is to remain a few skins to keep the flavor of the corn. Okay, I can see the corn kernels slightly. Then I add them to ample boiling water. If you don't have a large pot, it's okay to cut it into half. Good. I place a wooden lid otoshibuta and heat them for 5 minutes over medium heat. 5 minutes later, I remove the corns from the pot and let it cool for a while. Meanwhile, I'll make salt water. This is sea salt which is produced in Yamaguchi Prefecture. I add 30 grams of salt to the 1 liter water and start it to dissolve the salt. Okay, the salt water is ready. I peel the skin. The corns are still warm. If they are too hot, please let them cool. Nice. One corn is for corn and rice, and the other one is for corn kakiage. I divide it into half, and we can do it with a knife as well. Good. I add them to the salt water. The salt water adds saltiness to the corns evenly and prevents the corn kernels from shrinking when they are cool. I let it stand for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, I prepare the rice. This rice is grown in Toyama Prefecture. I use 200 grams of rice per a corn. I introduced how to prepare the rice in the video. If you are interested in it, please check it. I keep it in the water for 15 minutes. Please give a moment. My goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. You can know a lot of Japanese food recipes and culture. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. 30 minutes later, I remove the corns from the salt water. Beautiful. Then I remove the corn kernels from the corn cob. I usually do this cutting way. Nice. And this way is also good. You can do it any way you like. Good. I cook the carbs with the rice. Then I separate the corn kernels. Okay. I drain the rice in a sieve and add it to the nabe. You can use a rice cooker as well. Then I add water, sake, rice sauce, usukuchi, a pinch of salt, finally corn cobs. Nice. Corn cobs gives a flavor to the rice. I cover it with a lid, turn on the heat. I cook it for 7 minutes over high heat and 8 minutes over low heat, and steam it for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, open the lid and remove the corn cobs. I add the corn kernels and warm them up. Okay, corn and rice is done. This is one of my favorite Japanese rice dish. Simple and delicious. I mix the rice and the corn This lovely look makes our meal colorful. Let's arrange it on the rice bowl. Okay, done. いただきます。The contrast in texture between the corn and rice is fun, and sweet corn and salty rice are perfect. It is delicious. Next, I'll make corn kakiage. The preparation of corn is same, and I remove the corn kernels from the cobs. The tip is to cut the bottom of the kernels. If we use the whole kernels, they may burst in the oil, so please cut them carefully. However, deep-fried corn is so delicious. You can remove the kernels this way as well. I transfer them to the bowl and separate the corn kernels carefully. Okay, like this. This is cake flour. I sifted to coat the corn kernels evenly. This careful work enhances the quality of this simple dish. Okay, it's about 30 grams. I add about 20 grams of flour to the bowl and the corn kernels, and distribute the flour to them. It is important to coat each kernels with the flour. Okay, then I add small amount of water, like this, and distribute the water evenly. I add the water gradually until the kernels stick to each other and become chunks. If the water is not enough, the kernels don't become chunks, and if the water is too much, it's difficult to make it into round shapes. I start it by hand. Almost. Okay, like this. Then I put a little water to my hands and take a bite size and make it into balls. Lovely. It is easier to work when our hands are wet. Nice. Today I use a corn and get 8 portions. Let's deep fry them. The temperature of the oil is about 160 degrees. I shape it again and add it to the oil. Good. Deep fry them for about 5 minutes over medium heat until they are nice brown and crispy. I turn them over. Nice brown. The crispy texture and the rich flavor of the corn is amazing. The tip of deep frying is not to add many ingredients at the same time. If you add too much, the temperature of the oil decreases and the finish becomes oily. 5 minutes later, I remove them from the oil. Good. Looks delicious. I sprinkle the salt over them. Let's arrange it on the plate. I often use blue plate in the summer because I feel cool from blue color. Perfect. Corn kakiage is done. This is my favorite corn dish. いただきます。The outside is so crispy and the corn is flavorful and rich taste. I really recommend this dish. Thank you. Did you enjoy? Did I introduce my favorite corn dishes? What is your favorite way to eat corn? I like to eat just boiled corn with salt. I love Japanese corn so much, and if you come to Japan in summer, please try Japanese corn. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.